In today's video, we're going to be initiating coverage on Yulong Eco Materials Limited. Ticker symbol YECO. They trade on the NASDAQ exchange and their current price is $7.18. So real quick guys, two things. First off, go down to my description box, check out my social media links. If there's any big news about YECO this week, I will probably update that on my social media. And then also guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel in case I make a video updating the stock, any big news, anything like that. I really want to stay plugged into YECO. So I just want to start by saying that I have been looking for a YECO website, a company website, and I have not found one. So we are very limited with our research tools and our resources. So this is about all I can really find on YECO right here, guys, is the stock quote. And then this is a building material company and their headquarters is in China. It was founded in 2011 and it looks like they have a couple of subsidiaries. So guys, I've got the 1 week chart pulled up on YECO and it really seen quite a bit of action on Friday last week. So back here on the 22nd, guys, it was trading around $4 to $5 and it seemed to pretty much hold its level most all week. It started drifting back here around the 25th of October, and then on the 26th, which was Friday morning, this stock exploded. It ran up as high as $8.58. Like I said, it little bit of bouncing activity here. I'm going to pull up the 1 day chart so we can get a better look at it. But you can see, guys, it ran up fast and hard. It was up as much as 100% on Friday. And then it kind of cooled off towards the end of the day. That's usually how these big fast movers usually tend to trade. Okay, so they'll run up real high, they'll get around 100%, and then the shorts jump on it and it starts to cool off a little bit, and it dipped down here back around $6 and it ended its trading day at $6.15, or I'm sorry, $6.31, but it took a 66% 1 day gain and it lost 12% in after hours. So this stock has got volatility wrote all over it. Let's take a quick look at fundamentals. All right, guys, so most of these fundamentals are updated through September 27th. So we got kind of a guideline to use here. So their market cap, guys, $17.31 million. This is a tiny little company. A very, very small company, okay? They have an enterprise value of $23.17 million. And on a 52-week scale, they've gained 63%, all right? Now, moving down here, guys, this number has probably changed dramatically on Friday. I would say there's probably a lot of short interest in this stock now, but according to this, on the 27th, they only had about 2% short interest and 1% on the shares outstanding. So that's actually very healthy and a good metric to see. But we slide over here, guys, and obviously this is a penny stock, and it is not a very good company. As yet, this is not a healthy company yet. All we can really do is take the data we have and try to make the best decision we can. So it has a minus 99% return on equity. That is frightening. That is absolutely frightening. Their income statement. So really nothing good going on here, guys. They have about $9.51 million of revenue. Most of the other stuff is not even registering and showing up. In their total cash, they have $1.81 million of cash and $11.85 million of total debt. And so, nothing really good here to look at fundamentally. Obviously, I just want to make you aware of that. So what is it that moved this stock, guys? Well, back here on the 17th, there was an article published about Yulong Eco Material stock rockets more than 7-fold after closing Millennium Sapphire deal. So, on extremely heavy volume to pace all NASDAQ gainers after the eco-friendly building products and construction waste management company said it completed the $50 million purchase of the Millennium Sapphire. So volume swelled to 26.9 million shares compared with a full day average of about 43,700. So that right there, guys, take a look at that. This stock usually trades, their volume is usually around 43,700 and they traded 26.9 million shares. So this stock really seen some movement. The world-renowned gem was acquired with the assurance of 25 million Yulong restricted shares, the company said before Wednesday's open. So right there, guys, that is going to explain how they got the $50 million. The issuance of 25 million Yulong registered shares, I'm guessing they probably cost around $2 a piece. That would come to about $50 million. It goes on to say that Yulong said it is now in the process of selling or spinning off its China businesses so it can devote all of its resources to the Millennium Sapphire business. The company said it plans to relocate its headquarters to New York from Pingdingshan in China's Haven province. So the company did not immediately respond to the request for further comment, but YECO shares have now more than tripled over the past 12 months, where the S&P 500 has only advanced 9.9%. So this stock has seen some real movement. And guys, what I'm running into with this is just basically lack of information. I cannot find a company website, so I'm going to have to take a more speculative look and rely on some of my perhaps less reliable sources. You know, I really like to use news articles, you know, publish news articles and resources and that kind of thing. But so I'm going to take a look at StockTwits, kind of go through some of the comments and maybe try to piece together just what's going on here. So I'm on StockTwits. I found this right here, guys. This is going to help point us in somewhat of a direction. It says YECO, they got 25 million shares. If they sell at $10, that is 250 million. At $20, it is up 500 million. Read the Seeking Alpha article. They didn't post a link, so let's head over there and find it. So here's just a little news article, guys. It confirmed what I was just talking about a minute ago. My guess was correct. The acquisition was acquired via the assurance of 25 million YECO restricted shares valued at $2 per share. So this is the last news article that was published on the 18th of October, guys, and it pretty much tells us the exact same thing that we've already read. There's a little bit more information down here. It's just added that additionally the current market capitalization exceeds 400 million with revenues of 42.64 million in 2016. Finally, investors should be concerned about serious liquidity issues of YECO. The company does not seem to have cash to pay for its future obligations. I don't think YECO is anywhere near a good investment. Okay, it's just we don't have enough information to analyze this stock on the level I feel like we should, even just to get a basic level of stock analysis. So I probably will not be investing in this company. However, I am going to put it on my watch list this week, and I'm going to watch that volume very, very closely. So you might have an opportunity to trade some of this volatility. I've pulled the 1 month chart of YECO back up, guys, and as you can see, this stock sat stagnant at $1 per share, and on the 18th is when it got its real big spike up to over $11 a share. Okay, and then it's traded back down and gotten a dip, and then it just spiked back up on Friday. That's really all this thing is. So this stock is extremely volatile, seeing massive volatility. You know, it's went up 338% in a month. But for now, I'm not going to consider this an investment. I'm going to consider this a possible short and possibly an investment if I get more news. So I'm going to be keeping my ears and eyes on the news for the stock all week. So like I said, make sure to subscribe in case I update. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop me a comment. Tell me what you think about YECO. If you have any information about YECO that could maybe help me out or help this video out, or, you know, build on the small bit of knowledge that we have on it, drop that down in the comment section, guys. I would appreciate that a lot. And thank you for watching.